gentle fire. The ocean glazed and melted wire. Voices buzzed in spiral eyes. Stars dived in blinding skies. Stars dive. Blinding sky. Tree cracked and mountain cried. Bridges broke and windows sighed. Cells grew up, rivers burst, sound obscured and